Are you frustrated your dashcam doesn't work when you need it most? Don't worry, here's how to get it up and running again. Let's break it down step by step. First, check the power source. Is your dashcam plugged in tight? Sometimes, a loose cable is all it takes to stop working. Next, look at the fuse box. If the fuse linked to your dashcam is blown, swap it out for a new one with the same rating. Still not working? Try a different power port in your car, or use another USB cable. Sometimes the problem's in the cable, not the camera. Now, check your SD card. Dashcams often stop working if the card is full or corrupted. Swap it for a new blank card and see if that helps. If none of these work, reset your dashcam. Most have a small reset button, just press it with a paperclip. Finally, check your owner's manual for specific tips about your Honda HR-V model. Still stuck? It might be time to see a pro or contact Honda support. That's it. These simple checks can solve most dashcam issues, fast. Stay safe out there and enjoy the ride.